Brown hyena. The brown hyena, Hyaena brunnea, is a species of hyena native to southern Africa. It is smaller than the more well-known spotted hyena, and is one of 4 species of hyena found in Africa. Brown hyenas have a shaggy brown coat, and are often seen alone, or in small family groups. They are scavengers, and also hunt small prey such as rodents, birds, and reptiles. Brown hyenas are also known to feed on carrion, which they often find by following vultures to a kill. The brown hyena is currently classified as a near-threatened species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. Threats to their survival include habitat loss, hunting, and persecution by farmers who view them as a threat to their livestock. Conservation efforts include education campaigns to increase awareness about the importance of hyenas to their ecosystem, and efforts to reduce human-wildlife conflict through the use of non-lethal deterrents. Here are some interesting facts about brown hyenas. Number 1. Diet. Brown hyenas are scavengers and opportunistic hunters, feeding on a wide range of prey such as small mammals, birds, reptiles, and carrion. They also eat fruit and insects. Number 2. Social behavior. Brown hyenas are solitary hunters, but they are social animals that live in small family groups consisting of a dominant breeding pair and their offspring. The group defends its territory and uses communal dens for shelter. Number 3. Reproduction. Brown hyenas have a long gestation period of around 90 to 110 days, and give birth to litters of 1 to 5 cubs. The cubs are born with a black coat, and are weaned at around 6 to 8 months of age. Females become sexually mature at around 2 to 3 years of age. Number 4. Habitat. Brown hyenas are found in the arid and semi-arid regions of southern Africa, including South Africa, Namibia, Botswana, and Zimbabwe. They prefer open savannas and scrublands, but can also be found in mountainous areas. Number 5. Conservation status. The brown hyena is listed as near-threatened by the IUCN, with a decreasing population trend. Threats to their survival include habitat loss, hunting, and persecution by farmers who view them as a threat to their livestock. Conservation efforts include research, education, and efforts to reduce human-wildlife conflict through the use of non-lethal deterrents. Number 6. Unique characteristics. Brown hyenas have several unique physical and behavioral characteristics, including a shaggy coat that helps them regulate body temperature and blend in with their environment, powerful jaws and teeth that allow them to crush bones, and a distinctive laughing vocalization that they use to communicate with one another. As with many wildlife species, brown hyenas face a number of biological challenges in their environment. Here are some of the challenges that brown hyenas may encounter. Number 1. Competition. Brown hyenas may compete with other predators such as lions, leopards, and spotted hyenas for food and territory. Number 2. Disease. Brown hyenas are susceptible to a range of diseases, including rabies, distemper, and tuberculosis, which can be transmitted from domestic dogs and other animals. Number 3. Genetic diversity. Brown hyena populations may suffer from reduced genetic diversity due to habitat fragmentation and human disturbance, which can lead to decreased reproductive success and increased susceptibility to disease. Number 4. Reproduction. Brown hyenas have a low reproductive rate compared to many other carnivores, with females producing 1 litter every 2 to 3 years. This slow reproductive rate can make it difficult for populations to recover from declines. Number 5. Adaptation. Brown hyenas have adapted to living in arid and semi-arid environments, but changes to the climate and ecosystem could potentially impact their ability to find food and water. Number 6. Human-wildlife conflict. Brown hyenas may come into conflict with humans when they prey on livestock or scavenge in urban areas. This can result in persecution and habitat loss, which can have negative impacts on population.